episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from Vietnam. This is Acecook Lao Thai. It's a chicken flavor. So I reviewed that with slightly different packaging way back. That was review number, it was like 270. Many years ago. Okay, and then we got these two. Okay. So you add everything in. Like so. That was the vegetable. Now we have the powder. These. I'm hoping this will be a good one. I'm used to these not really being my favorite. It's been a while since I've had one of these, but we shall see. That was a long time ago. That was 2011, so I might be like thoroughly stoked on this one at this point, but we'll see. And we might as well start the timer. See, I say might as well. My wife says may as well. It's like might as well, may as well. Very odd term. We both agree on that at least. It's like, no, it's might as well. It's like, should we do that? Well, might as well. Frickin' English. It doesn't make a lot of sense generally. It's already pretty well hydrated at this point. So what's going on? It's sunny now, it's windy, and around 2 it's supposed to be a good chance of storms, thunder, lightning, all that good stuff. That's what I'm hoping for. We get some good footage of that for intros or outros. I don't know, but we shall see. Yeah, we shall see. Yeah, just trying to bust through 2 reviews before my wife goes on lunch break, as we like to converse via SMS message while she's on her lunching situation. I really think this is done. I think 3 minutes is overkill. But I'll do what it says. I'm supposed to cover it and let it stand, but you know, it's like, oh, stir doesn't hurt. But yeah, I still have my weird urn looking thing. So when I got yesterday, on the last episode, I mentioned how I went to the polling place and we'd already voted, but I wanted to get some swag. I wanted some pins and stickers and that kind of stuff. Well, they're all sitting there, nobody's in there. I'm like, hey, so can I get some stickers and pins? They're like, oh yeah, sure. I'm like, by the way, does anybody have any clue what this thing is? And I'm like asking them, they're all like putting in their 2 cents. It's like, it's kind of like, we were kind of wondering if that was like an urn. I'm like, no dead people in here. I'll show you the thing again. Yeah, it is lacking in dead people inside, but it's almost like it's got like a velvet inside, and the lid is tapered like a tagine. It's really strange. I think it might just be something that you just put whatever you want in it. I really don't know. So if you know what it is, chances are I've tracked down exactly what it is at this point when you're watching this video, but maybe not. Who knows? Maybe by the time you see this video, my wife will go like, no, that thing is ugly. It has to get out of here. So. I like that noodle immensely. It's well hydrated. It's pretty good. Let's take a look at this because I don't remember. I try not to look and see what my original review score was when I'm doing something that I haven't done in like 11 years. But then I do afterwards. That's really good. So it's like lemony chicken. It just says artificial chicken flavor. But on the picture, it shows a lemon. And I was thinking, oh, I should get a lemon for garnish. But then it's like, I'm trying it and I'm getting a lemon flavor out of it, which is not what I expected in this. I really did not expect that. So that's interesting. Let's see. No, we need to go that way. There we go. All right, let's dump it in. Give it a little bit of a swizzle. Kind of like that. I've got some chicken that's left over from I don't know. I feel like I better plug these guys. They're called Yoko Kitchen. You can go to yokokitchen.com and they've got really good fresh noodle that you can get delivered to your door. Curry chicken is really good. Their tonkatsu is good. There's another one too. I think it was a 1010 men that was absolutely excellent. But this is the chicken from the curry chicken, and I didn't want it to go to waste. So here is chicken. And it's good. Okay. Add some bean sprouts. A little spring onion. Oh, that's what I wanted to do today. Maybe tomorrow. I need to go buy a mint plant. Because the place that has such things is open now. It's March, so the produce stand is open. Little sesame seed. And I'm going to throw in a little crushed red pepper, I believe, and that will do it. There it is. Yeah, I'm going to say this Mi Lao Thai from Vietnam is quite good. This, I won't say it is my favorite because I'm not thinking about all my Vietnamese reviews I've done over the years, but this may be one of my absolute, I would say it's probably one of my absolute favorites. This is really good. So yeah. Well, thank you very much for watching. The next one you're going to see is this Nissin Deme Ramen Exo Sauce Seafood flavor. And I had this about 1,000 reviews ago, maybe a little more. And they've changed it. The sachet looks different and the calories is different. So there's something that they did. Maybe they couldn't source a certain ingredient the same. But we will give it another try because this is one I really like, and I've liked it for years. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.